everybody.
We are here to talk to you about meal planning for the week, and we're going to walk you through the steps of how to do that.
Preparing meals at home, it's healthier.
It'll save you money. It'll save you like mental health of like, what are we going to do? Especially for those of you who have kiddos.
A really important step is to think about what do you have in stock in your pantry, in your refrigerator, and freezer, and take account of those things before you go to the store. If you just go to the grocery store without an idea of what's in your pantry, you're going to end up purchasing things that you already have. Most likely, food is going to get wasted. That's not great for you. You've already spent money on those items. And if you really want to conserve money and be a good steward of the things that you have, take a look at your pantry first. And then it's kind of a reverse engineering. You're not just creating a whimsical plan based on what am I hungry for this week. You actually start with what is my pantry telling me I could make this week.
If you have frozen chicken in the freezer and a bag of potatoes, an easy thing to go to is, if Pinterest app, I love it. You can type in, I literally typed in, what can I make with chicken and potatoes? And it has thousands of recipes. So shop what you have first. Whatever it is, you can type it into Pinterest and it will give you so many recipes. So we picked out 3 recipes that we want to work with this week, and I wrote down from either Pinterest or the recipes that I have on paper that we've saved. I wrote down the ingredients that we need for each of them, and we just went to the pantry. We shopped the pantry and the fridge first. I crossed out the things that we already have because we don't want to buy more than what we need because we don't want to be wasteful. So always remember to shop what you have first, and then you have your shopping list.
Now you're ready to go shop. A tip here with shopping for your meals for the week, make sure you take a list with you. It's going to help you stay focused. You may be tempted while you're there to add different things to your cart. I mean, you may pick up a couple odds and ends here and there, but you really want to stick to that list as much as you can. This will help you save money. Another recommendation, if you go to the store, it's the end of the day and you haven't eaten that snack or that dinner before you go, you might find you end up hangry shopping. Hungry, angry shopping. Guilty. I've done this a number of times. A simple tip, before you go to that store, go ahead and eat a snack. Make sure you have something of sustenance to kind of tide you through that little excursion. There's a lot of concepts that leftovers are just, they're not good. That's simply not true. You could easily stretch a meal out, for 3 or 4 days, which for most of us, that's awesome. It's really gonna help. We do a couple meals like that throughout the week. We can meal prep just a couple times. It really does cut down on the effort and the time consumption with meal prep. So learn to enjoy leftovers, guys. Let us know in the comments, do you hate leftovers? Do you find them enjoyable? Is meal prep something that's new to you? If you're getting value in this video today, click that bell so you get the notifications when we post new content, which is on a weekly basis. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, Banking on Love. We really appreciate it. It means a lot. Our final tip, keep a running list of your favorite meals. So over time it gets easier and you don't necessarily have to have recipes, but in the beginning, those recipes can really help you to find some meals that you enjoy. You're actually gonna reinvent those recipes. You're gonna tweak them. You're gonna find, oh, I don't like the spice as much, or I don't like the pasta sauce as much. I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna do my own thing. And that's really the point of this, is to make it enjoyable. Add your spin to it. That's also the fun of it. The more meal prep you do, the more you realize what you enjoy. It just comes with time and with practice, like anything. If you're intimidated by this, just know that there's so many people out there like yourself that they jumped into this without a clue either, myself being one of them. Start this habit of meal prepping, of cooking your own meals. You'll find you're gonna save a lot of money. You have more control over what you're putting into your body. So you're gonna eat healthier. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. We just dropped a new video and it's about a stir-fry frozen meal that you can get at Target, at Costco, different places. It's actually pretty reasonably priced, and it is delicious. And you can pair that with a lot of things to enhance it as a meal, as like a side, or you could have it as the meal itself by adding a protein to it. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Keep banking on love, y'all.